Andiriki Namaskaram, Bhavnara. At HPCL, we are transforming the energy landscape with our solutions that cut across spectrum of requirements. Our vision is to be a world-class energy company known for caring and delighting the customers with high-quality products, innovative services across domestic and international markets with aggressive growth and delivering superior financial performance. In last year, our company achieved a consolidated profit after tax of 16,015 crores. We achieved highest ever throughput in crude of 22.33 million metric tons and total sales of 46.82 million metric tons. Last year also, your company achieved the highest ever MS sales of 9.2 million metric tons and highest ever HSD sales of 20 million metric tons. Due to this, our market share amongst the oil PSUs grew by 0.47%. Now, let me come to the retail SBU performance highlights. The retail SBU achieved a milestone last year of achieving the number of 22,022 retail networks. This has happened only with the support of all of you. Also, we were able to successfully solarize more than 17,000 retail outlets from our existing network. We have commissioned E20 fuel at 4,355 retail outlets. We have now 1,690 retail outlets where we are giving CNG to our customers, and we also have 3,600 retail outlets having EV charging facilities. All this has been possible because of the unwavering support from our excellent dealer network, which works tirelessly night and day to serve our loyal customers. However, the road ahead is full of challenges. The rapidly changing digital landscape is making our customers much more demanding and aware. Indians are now traveling all across the globe and observing the service standards there, and they expect the same from us. Our competitors, both PSU and private, are becoming more and more aggressive day by day. In Tier 2 cities, we have another challenge. Due to rapid commercialization, the real estate prices are going up day by day, due to which our competition is not only limited to fuel retailing companies, but other private retailing companies are also becoming a challenge for us. Thus, as a family, we need to ensure that our existing network also delivers excellent performance and they serve our customers all the more better. For this, we need little bit more focus from each one of you on improving our service standards, on ensuring that our quality and quantity is not only delivered, it is also registered in our customers' mindset, which is very, very important. Let our customers speak for our quality and quantity. We need to go digital now and provide quick services to our retail outlets, to our retail outlet customers. For this, our dealers need to spend more on hiring and training the CSA staff at their retail outlets, which are the primary point of contact for our loyal customers. The dealers need to be more involved day to day with their operations, and they need to think out of box solutions to give unique fueling experience to all our customers. On behalf of Vijayawada Retail Region, I assure you all of our round the clock support in making you serve our customers better than before. With support of you all, last year performance of Vijayawada Retail Region has been excellent. We gained market share in both MS and HSD. We have added the highest number of retail outlets to our network among all the OMCs. We concluded modernization at 56 retail outlets, thereby adding a sales volume of approximately 450 KL MS and 950 KL HSD per month from our existing retail outlets. We have won 2 wayside amenities on the Vijayawada-Visakhapatnam highway, which we are developing into world-class retail outlets for our customers. With support of you all, the response to our new advertisement which came out last year has been excellent. and we are very, very hopeful that our HP Parivar will grow further and excellent people will come and join our family this year. We are now focusing more and more on training needs for our dealer network. I am glad to inform you all that last year in Vijayawada, we have successfully conducted a 1-week training program for our new dealers, which is called the EDP training program. Moreover, this year also, we are now starting with the unique training program for all our existing dealers with IIM Visakhapatnam. So they will be getting best in class training at IIMs from their best professors. We are starting this year again with few key focus areas which I feel each one of you should know. Our key focus this year is going to be on improving our digital conversion through more focus on DriveTrack Plus program and HP Pay loyalty program. This will increase the customer loyalty for HPCL products. We are going to aggressively modernize our retail outlets this year, and one key focus area in this is developing large format outlets which stand out in the industry in terms of service and amenities. For this, I invite all out support from my dealer network in terms of arranging bigger land for all for us, so that we can develop them with all the modern facilities for our driver community, for our traveling customers, for families, for everyone. These outlets are not only going to cater to the fueling services, they are also going to give new services like food, resting facilities, food and beverages to our customers, and a rest point in their long journeys. So with this, I wish my entire HP family a very happy, prosperous and successful financial year 2024-25 ahead. Thank you.
హిందుస్థాన్ పెట్రోలియం కార్పొరేషన్ విజయవాడ రీజియన్ నుండి ఏలూరు మరియు వెస్ట్ గోదావరి సేల్స్ ఏరియాస్ యొక్క డీలర్స్ మీట్కి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ ఆహ్వానిస్తూ హెచ్పిసిఎల్ తరఫున మా వెల్కమ్ చెప్తున్నాం. నా పేరు నక్కా విల్సన్. నేను చీఫ్ మేనేజర్ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ అండ్ అనలిటిక్స్ చూస్తున్నాను. మీ అందరికీ తెలిసినట్లుగానే ఈ రోజున డీలర్ మీటింగ్ ఎంత గొప్పగా చేసుకోవడానికి మీరు ప్లాన్ చేసినందుకు నా యొక్క హార్దిక శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ సమయంలో ఇంకా గొప్ప కార్యం, సాయి మనస్వి ఆకుల నూజివీడు ఈ పాప 10th క్లాస్లో 600కి 599 మార్కులు తెచ్చుకున్న సందర్భంగా అభినవ సరస్వతి అని ఒక బిరుదిచ్చి సత్కరించడానికి డీలర్ ఫ్రెటర్నిటీ మీరందరూ కలిసి నిర్ణయించుకోవడం అనేది చాలా అభినందనీయం. ఇటువంటి ఇనిషియేటివ్సే మన కార్పొరేషన్ యొక్క ఇమేజ్ని పబ్లిక్లో చాలా ముందుకు తీసుకువెళ్తుంది. మాకు తెలుసు ఏలూరు మరియు భీమవరం సేల్స్ ఏరియాస్ నుంచి వచ్చిన డీలర్సు మీ ప్రాంతాల్లో హెచ్పిసిఎల్ ఇమేజ్ని ఎంత గొప్పగా నిలబెడుతున్నారు, ఒక మంచి బ్రాండ్ ఇమేజ్ తీసుకొచ్చినారు, డీలర్స్ మధ్యలో ఎంత మంచి ఫ్రెటర్నిటీ, మంచి సహృద్భావ సంబంధం ఉంది అనేది మాకు అందరికి తెలుసు. అది మాకు తెలియడమే కాదు, విజయవాడ రిటైల్ రీజియన్లో తెలియడమే కాదు, ఆల్ ఇండియాలో కూడా హెచ్పిసిఎల్లో ఇది జగద్విదితమే. ఈ సందర్భంగా, ఈ డీలర్ మీటింగ్ సందర్భంగా డీలర్స్కి 2-3 విషయాలు చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాను. ఒకటి, నేను రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ చీఫ్ మేనేజర్గా డీలర్షిప్ అగ్రిమెంట్స్, లీజ్ అగ్రిమెంట్స్ చూస్తూ కొత్త అవుట్లెట్స్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ కానీ, డీలర్ ఇష్యూస్ లైక్ జిఎస్టీ ఇష్యూస్ కానీ, ప్రాపర్టీ ట్యాక్స్ ఇష్యూస్ కానీ, ఇటువంటి అన్నీ కూడా హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తూ ఉండగా మీరందరూ ఎంతో చక్కగా కోఆపరేట్ చేస్తున్నందుకు మిమ్మల్ని అభినందిస్తున్నాను. ఇదే సందర్భంలో మన కంపెనీ యొక్క ఇనిషియేటివ్స్ లైక్ సెల్లింగ్ E20 పెట్రోల్ ఆర్ పవర్ పెట్రోల్ ఆర్ ఎడిటివ్స్ ఆర్ DEF, ప్రమోటింగ్ DT+, లాయల్టీ కార్డ్, ఇవన్నీ ఆయిల్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోనే మనం ఒక మంచి పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నందువల్ల ఆల్ ఇండియాలో మీ 2 సేల్స్ ఏరియాస్లో ఉన్న డీలర్స్ అందరూ గుర్తించబడ్డారు. అందువలన ఈ డీలర్ మీటింగు చాలా అభినందనీయం. విజయవాడ రిటైల్ రీజియన్ ఆఫీస్ తరఫున మరియు నా వ్యక్తిగతంగా మీకందరికీ హార్దిక శుభాభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ నమస్కారం.
Dear dealers, dear vendors, first of all, warm greetings to each one of you. Most of you will be knowing me. I'm Akshay Chauhan, handling retail engineering. I'm assistant manager retail engineering. I'm heading the region when it comes to retail engineering. And mainly, if you ask me about my job description, I'll tell it is about I'm in charge of multiple roles, multiple works like including procurement, including safety, automation, projects, that includes both modernization and ROs, and also involves dealer training, vendor training, and last 1 year has been a tremendous landmark year when it comes to Vijayawada, especially in terms of retail engineering. If I highlight a few of the things which I have achieved over the last 1 year period, I will tell our region will stand out throughout India, and let me begin with our Vijayawada region. It has achieved #1 rank in all over India, in pan India in terms of nano performance. We are #1 when it comes to all India nano. Apart from that, we are also the first region in our zone, as well as I think top 5 region among the country, among all pan India regions to have completed 100% solarization, and each one of you deserve many compliments for that, because without your support this achievement wouldn't have been possible. And coming to another great thing about engineering is that last year we have modernized 56 in number of retail outlets. On average, if we calculate from these modernized outlets, we are getting additional jitna what average happens over and above what is average, we are getting 450 kLMS and 950 kL of HSD per month. So this is just because of just additional volume, removing that natural growth. If we, that is the additional volume. So in this way, our modernization has helped in increasing the volumes from your outlets. And again, as you all know, 19 outlets we have commissioned last year, and total 13 nozzle sales we were able to start. That includes for the previous years also. And next great thing about our our retail engineering's big achievement is that we have successfully implemented EV corridor at NS65 locations. We have 3 fast EV charging stations when it comes to NS65, and it is one of the major contributions towards our nation's commitment towards cleaner energy. And then again, I would like to address a few things to dealers especially. I request all dealers, first of all, to not operate any DUs in manual mode. Of course, we are #1 in nano, but we wish to maintain that in the future also. We want 1 more year to be of similar achievements, and we want to match that performance. So request all dealers, never operate any DUs in manual mode, #1. #2, safety point of view, I request each one of you to carry out daily safety checks at your outlet. It's mandatory objective, like the way you operate pump testing each day in the morning. Similarly, you do each and every day daily safety check. That copy of it had been circulated to you. However, since it is the occasion, I would again circulate it to you, and I request you to carry it out each and every day. And again, point #3, you people have done a great job in solarization, but I suggest it's just a tip of the iceberg. You can always go for net zero, which is aligned with our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of making India a net zero nation. So you can always go for higher value of solar, so that you'll start gaining benefits out of it, and you are able to achieve net zero. And the main objective is to make our outlets clean and green. And of course, my message to vendors, all you people have been doing excellent job, especially West Godavari vendors. They're all really good, West Godavari and Elore district dealers, vendors. And I wish the same kind of support for this year also. Of course, lot of changes have happened in the region. Our DGM Retail Engineering, Sri Rebba sir, he has been transferred and moved to Bhubaneswar. He has been elevated to the role of a zonal RE head, and I've taken over from him. So vendors can expect similar level of support from region, and I too expect similar level of support from you all. So this, with this, I would like to conclude, and once again I greet each one of you. Thank you, and all the best for coming here.
నమస్కారం అండి అందరికీ. నా పేరు చైతన్య బండారు, అసిస్టెంట్ మేనేజర్ ఫ్రమ్ రిటైల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ టీమ్ అండి, విజయవాడ ఆరో. రీసెంట్గా నేను నెల్లూరు ఆరో నుంచి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయ్యి విజయవాడ ఆరోకి వచ్చానండి. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ హ్యాపీ అండ్ వెల్కమ్ టు ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ అందరితో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి. మై డీలర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏలూరు అండ్ భీమవరం సేల్స్ ఏరియా, అదర్ స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్, కస్టమర్స్ అండ్ మై వెరీ గుడ్ vendor base, my vendors also that are available here. So I'm very much happy and welcome to see and resolve all of your issues in time, majorly in time, and contribute to the growth of HPCL and our individual growth. Thank you andi, thank you andariki. Namaskar.
Andarakam Namaste. My name is Mahesh Kumar Guin. I have been working as an assistant sales manager in Eluru district, and I have been working at HPCL for last 6 years. HPCL is outstanding organization. It has got 2 refineries, one in Visakhapatnam and second in Mumbai. In Visakhapatnam refinery, we produce petrol, diesel, aviation fuels, and lot of several other products catering to the energy needs of the Indian public. Despite all challenges, our dealers have contributed immensely with their hard work and persistent efforts in achieving a marvelous performance in the last year. I congratulate them all for their extremely good performances, and I wish them that to continue with the same endeavor. Further, in HPCL, we are going into expanding to flexible fuels. We are expanding the network, and we are trying to have a strong digital foothold through HP Pay and the DriveTrack Plus program. I hope that all the stakeholders who have attended the meeting today will contribute actively to the program, and I believe in the saying HP hai jahan bharosa hai wahan. Thank you.